Hi, my name is Fazati Ali. Busy day here. We are about to unveil to you another elegant, stunning project by, of course, Lehem Interiors. We're still busy though, running around trying to complete installations and furnishings. So come on in. Right at the entrance, we are immersed into opulence and elegance. Are you ready for today's house tour? Let's dive right in. As you walk through the front door, the entryway showcases a beautiful console table in a fibrous travertine finish that looks impeccable. Above it on display, we have a beautiful 3D textured art piece that looks sleek and unique. I mean, have you come across such a piece? I bet not. Above the console area, we have accessorized it with a beautiful table lamp in a textured pattern that is used to highlight the tones, patterns, and add warmth to the space. This modern space incorporates an open-plan layout for the living, dining, and bar area. The living room exudes a contemporary vibe with a sectional sofa in off-white textured finish, a coffee table in marble and metal, and an accent chair and side table balancing out the lines by infusing curves. If you love entertaining guests, this bar area fulfills your dream. Right across the lounge and adjacent to the dining area, we curated this beautiful built-in shelving, integrating it with lighting to accentuate the beautiful fluted panel. Right across it, we have a beautiful glass cabinet, also with light to highlight the beautiful china. Now, to add warmth to the space, we went ahead and added this beautiful wood panel on the wall and also on the lower units. Now the island mimics the feature wall at the back with fluted panels to create visual depth. Now, keeping with trends, we made the edges curved so as to create a visual flow. And hey guys, it's 2023, we no longer want to have handles on our doors. So we fitted these doors with push to open mechanism, making it more modern and sleek. Above our island, we have beautiful water droplet sort of lighting that actually create a delicate luxury in the space. The interior of the island integrates beautiful bar stools with a top finish to complete the look of the space. Moving into the dining zone, are you seeing what I'm seeing? This space is simply remarkable. Fusing in Japandi and modern, we have this beautiful sublime marble table that has chrome legs, and to top it up, we have this beautiful dining chairs with a nice fabric in top and woody legs to actually bring in that authentic Japandi vibe. The wabi-sabi light pendants above are designed to light up the space with tenderness with their unique, bold look. Coming into the master bedroom, this space is a fusion of Scandi and Zen, giving a feel of sensual, calm, and organic. The floor-to-ceiling headboard is in white ivory fabric, framed with wood finish fluted panels. The pendant lights are giving a beautiful serene glow through the marble globes, giving a sense of warmth. At the bed front, we have a bed bench that ties together with the bed. Across the room, we have a master lounge that accommodates 2 accent chairs and a sturdy wood side table strategically placed to face the TV area. The TV area is a replication of the fluted panel we have on the headboard, tied together with great cabinetry for storage purposes. In this office section, we have this beautiful build-up at the back in brown wood look fluted panels and a nice grate cabinet to add warmth to the space. On the side, we have this glass door shelving to be used as a storage space. The family room adjacent to the office area has a TV unit that replicates the same finishes as in the office area, with the wood and the grade, with the shelving integrating lighting completing the look of the unit. We also have a sofa and an accent chair with the same color color tones, creating a sense of calmness and uniformity. The carpet mimics red sand, creating a sense of depth. Coming into the bedroom, I am loving the monochromatic scheme going on here, sprinkled with a little bit of blush pink. Now this bedroom is simply remarkable, from the geometry shapes on the headboard to the linen textured table lamps, drawing attention to the stone textures on the stand. The variety of textures makes this space quite cozy. Anchoring the bed is a bed bench that completes the look of this space. Now this bedroom is the epitome of neutral tones. The whole house has a monochromatic tone, creating a clean look throughout the space. The light gray headboard behind me has been designed to house two beautiful fluted paneled side tables, and hanging above them are these beautiful light pendants in organic shapes, and we're talking about simplicity with a punch of luxury. The dresser area over here has been styled with white fluted panel, tying in with the rest of the colors in the space. The drawer below has also been fitted with a soft close motion system. The comfy chair here completes the look of the room. Now this guest bedroom will have you yearning to be a guest. It encapsulates delicate charm with neutral colors flowing from the wallpaper to the floor-standing padded upholstered headboard, designed with clean lines, giving it a nice geometric look. The side tables, on the other hand, are in dark wood finish with leather on the side, giving it an eccentric look. Hey guys, so finally we have completed the house tour. Out here we have a simple patio seating with chairs in wooden frames and a fire pit for whenever you need that warm feel. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you loved what we did with the space. Please take your time to kindly subscribe to our channel, and please stay tuned because we have more amazing content coming your way very soon.